Imagine having Warren Buffett's brain in your pocket, without needing a finance degree or staring at charts all day. That's what AI is doing for beginner investors right now. The people who used to struggle just to open a brokerage account are now building portfolios, spotting winning stocks, and growing wealth, with just a few taps. The best part? You don't need experience. You just need the right tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 9 clear, step-by-step tips on how to invest like a pro using AI, even if you've never invested a dollar before. This is smart wealth strategies for everyday people. Today, we're diving into how AI is changing the investing game, especially for beginners. Think of AI as your personal financial assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to help you make smarter decisions with your money. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 powerful tips and tools that can help you start investing smarter with confidence, thanks to AI. So grab your notebooks, because we're about to unlock the future of investing together. Look, I get it. Getting started with investing can feel like learning a new language. You've got stocks, bonds, ETFs, and don't even get me started on options. That's where AI comes in. Imagine having a tool that could analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, identify trends, and even predict market movements with incredible accuracy. AI is like having a financial advisor in your pocket, available 24/7. No more paying hefty fees or scheduling appointments. With AI-powered tools, you can get personalized investment recommendations, create a diversified portfolio, and even automate your investments, all from your smartphone. For beginners, this is a game changer. AI takes the guesswork out of investing and makes it more accessible than ever before. By providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed, AI empowers you to take control of your financial future. With AI, you have access to real-time data, sophisticated algorithms, and personalized insights, giving you the edge you need to navigate the complexities of the market. It's time to embrace the future of finance and unlock the power of AI investing. Before you even think about buying stocks or bonds, you need to define your financial goals. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house, early retirement, your dream vacation? Having clear goals gives your investments purpose and helps you stay focused on the long term. Now here's where AI comes in to supercharge your goal setting. There are incredible AI-powered apps out there like finchat.io and even ChatGPT that can help you map out a personalized investment plan based on your unique goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Just tell these AI assistants what you want to achieve and by when, and they'll crunch the numbers and suggest investment strategies tailored to your needs. For example, let's say you're aiming for early retirement. An AI-powered goal-setting tool can calculate how much you need to invest each month, taking into account factors like inflation and estimated returns to reach your target. It can even recommend specific investment options that align with your risk profile and time horizon. These apps often come with features that track your progress, provide personalized insights, and even send you reminders to keep you moving towards your goals. With AI by your side, setting and achieving your financial goals has never been easier or more exciting. Okay, so you've set your goals. Now it's time to put your money to work. But the thought of picking individual stocks or managing a complex portfolio might seem daunting. Don't worry, that's where robo-advisors come in. These platforms use the power of AI to make investing completely hands-off. Think of robo-advisors like Autopilot for your money. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or SoFi use sophisticated algorithms to create and manage a diversified investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance, goals, and time horizon. All you have to do is answer a few questions about your financial situation and investment objectives, and the robo-advisor takes care of the rest. They use modern portfolio theory to build a portfolio designed to maximize returns while minimizing risk. Robo-advisors automatically rebalance your portfolio as needed, ensuring that you're always invested in the right assets at the right time. With robo-advisors, you can invest with confidence, knowing that your money is in good hands. It's the perfect solution for beginners who want to start investing but don't have the time or expertise to manage their own portfolio. Analyze stocks like a pro with AI tools. Now, if you're the type who likes to be a bit more hands-on with your investments, AI has got you covered too. There are some incredible AI-powered tools out there that can help you analyze stocks like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Platforms like Seeking Alpha, FinGPT, and Tickeron use natural language processing and machine learning to analyze massive amounts of financial data, identify trends, and even provide buy and sell signals. Imagine being able to instantly access detailed financial reports, analyst ratings, and even sentiment analysis from social media, all in one place. For example, let's say you're interested in investing in a particular company. You can simply type in the company's name or ticker symbol into one of these tools, and it will generate a comprehensive report, including key financial metrics, historical performance, and even future projections. Some AI tools can even analyze news articles, social media posts, and other unstructured data to gauge market sentiment and identify potential investment opportunities. It's like having an army of analysts working for you around the clock. By using these tools, you can gain a significant edge in the market and make more informed investment decisions. Use AI alerts to stay ahead of market trends. The stock market is constantly changing, and keeping up with the latest trends can feel like a full-time job. But what if you could have AI monitor the market for you and alert you to potential opportunities or risks? Well, now you can. There are amazing apps like AlphaSense and Kavoot that use AI-powered algorithms to scan news articles, social media feeds, and other data sources for market-moving information. They then send you real-time alerts so you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment decisions. Imagine getting a notification on your phone that a company you're interested in just announced a major new product, or perhaps an alert that a stock you own is experiencing unusual trading activity. These are the types of insights that can make all the difference in your investment returns. These AI-powered tools can also help you filter out the noise and focus on the information that's most relevant to your portfolio. You can customize your alerts based on specific companies, industries, or even keywords. For example, let's say you're interested in investing in renewable energy. By using AI-powered market monitoring tools, you can stay informed, make proactive decisions, and potentially capitalize on opportunities before they even hit the mainstream radar. Dollar cost averaging made easy with AI. One of the smartest investment strategies, especially for beginners, is dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This helps you ride out market volatility and potentially lower your average cost per share over time. Now here's where AI can make dollar cost averaging even more powerful. Platforms like Acorns and M1 Finance use AI to automate the entire process, making it effortless to build wealth over time. These platforms connect to your bank account or credit card and round up your purchases to the nearest dollar. The spare change is then automatically invested in a diversified portfolio of your choosing. By investing consistently, you're less likely to make emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Some AI-powered platforms even take into account your risk tolerance and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. This level of automation and personalization is what makes AI-powered dollar cost averaging so effective. It takes the guesswork out of investing and allows you to build wealth steadily over time, even if you're starting with small amounts. Unfortunately, the world of investing isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There are scammers and shady characters out there looking to take advantage of unsuspecting investors, especially beginners. But don't worry, AI can be your secret weapon in the fight against investment fraud. AI-powered tools like Hawk AI and even ChatGPT can help you detect suspicious trends, evaluate risky investments, and protect yourself from scams. Hawk AI, for example, uses machine learning to analyze transactions and identify patterns that may indicate fraud or money laundering. ChatGPT, on the other hand, can be used to research investment opportunities and get a second opinion on potential red flags. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize a company's financial statements, analyze its management team, or even check for any regulatory violations. By using AI to cross-reference information, verify sources, and identify potential risks, you can significantly reduce your chances of falling victim to investment scams. Always do your research, trust your instincts, and don't be afraid to walk away from anything that seems suspicious. And when in doubt, AI can be your most valuable ally in protecting your hard-earned money. One of the biggest obstacles to investing is often a lack of knowledge and confidence. But the beauty of AI is that it can also be your personal financial educator, empowering you to make smarter decisions with your money. There are incredible AI-powered tools out there like Quorapo, which provides instant answers to your investing questions, no matter how basic or complex they may be. Simply type in your question, and Quorapo will use its vast knowledge base to provide you with accurate and concise information. AI can also help you learn about investing in a fun and engaging way. There are YouTube channels that use AI to create personalized learning paths based on your interests and goals. By using AI to fill in your knowledge gaps, stay up to date on the latest trends, and build your investing confidence, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. It's like having a personal finance tutor who tailors their teaching style to your specific needs. So there you have it. We've covered 7 powerful ways that AI can revolutionize your investing journey, even if you're starting with zero experience. From setting goals to analyzing stocks and avoiding scams, AI is the ultimate tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. The best part is that you don't need to be a tech whiz or a Wall Street guru to take advantage of these tools. Most AI-powered investing platforms are incredibly user-friendly and designed with beginners in mind. Remember, the key to successful investing is to start early, invest consistently, and stay informed. So what are you waiting for? The future of investing is here, and it's powered by AI. Take the first step today, explore the tools and resources we've discussed, and unlock the incredible potential of AI-driven investing. Let's recap. Set goals with AI, use robo-advisors. Analyze with stock-picking AI, automate with dollar-cost averaging. Stay alert to market changes and educate yourself daily with AI tools. Don't wait. AI is the ultimate beginner's advantage in today's investing world. If you start now, your future self will thank you.